Ni jatend migao mar arita Kipchumba Murkomen onyiso kweth ma chano bago ng'anyo e jumani mondo mi otimano e yo ma odimbore mana kaka chik opuodho. Kaolo kanisa mar AIC manitiere Lang'ata Nairobi chieng' manyoro, Murkomen onyiso jong'anyo mondo mi kik roch ratich jopiny mamoko e kinde mag ng'anyono. Bende ojiwo kanisa mondo med jiwo kwe kod achiel mar oganda jo Kenya.
When you are exercising Article 37 right to picket, to demonstrate, to do all this, it is not to say your right to demonstrate is greater than the right of our children to go to school. It is not greater than the right of business people, Mama Mboga, to continue doing their business. It is not greater than the right of other citizens to enjoy a quiet life, those who are going for transport, and so forth and so forth. Please, let nobody lose life on Thursday. And let nobody lose his property on Thursday, or her property. If we come all of us peacefully, no rungus, no machetes, no stones, no lighting fires, no violence, no stealing, no looting, then we should be able, the police will also escort and support those demonstrators, and in the evening we shake hands and go home. But if it will be a demonstration that we are mobilizing goons, gangs, people with violence, unfortunately, I must say, without fear of contradiction, that the national security architecture and its officers, including National Police Service, will have to do everything humanly possible to deal with all criminals that are going to cause chaos in our country. And this will be done without fear or without favor, without discrimination, without consideration of position, because our country must be kept safe.